In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shipping profile in Shopify, a straightforward task that can significantly enhance your store's logistics. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth setup process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage all aspects of your store, from products to customer data, and of course, shipping settings. Once you're in the admin area, look for the My Store section and be sure you're on the home page. From here, everything you need will be just a few clicks away. Next, you'll locate and click on Settings, found on the lower left side of the page. This area is like the backstage pass to your online store, where you can control all operational features. Following this, you'll find the section labeled Shipping and Delivery. Go ahead and click on that, as it's the hub for all your shipping preferences. Once in the shipping and delivery section, you will see an option to create a new profile. Click on Create a New Profile to start customizing your shipping settings. Here you'll be tasked with naming your profile, so think about what best describes the shipping arrangement you're about to set up. Clear descriptive names can make it easier to manage multiple profiles later. After naming your profile, it's time to add products. You'll find an Add Products button, click it and select the items that apply to this particular shipping setup. Whether it's a category of products or a specific collection, ensure everything aligns with how you intend to ship them. Now let's set up your shipping zones by clicking on Add Shipping Zone. This part is crucial because it defines where you're willing to ship your products. Begin by selecting a country like the USA, for instance. This choice dictates the regions your profile will cover. Once you've made your selection, confirm it by clicking Done. The next step is to add a rate to your newly created shipping zone. Click on Add Rate to define how much shipping will cost for this specific zone. You can customize this rate by giving it a name that reflects its purpose, such as Standard Shipping or Express Delivery. A clear name can help users quickly understand the service level they're choosing. To further fine-tune your shipping options, consider conditional pricing, which you can add by selecting Add Conditional Pricing. You have the flexibility to base these conditions on either item weight or total order price. This allows more granular control over shipping costs, ensuring they are both fair and strategic. Finally, once all of your settings are in order, confirm your choices by clicking Done. And of course, don't forget to save all your efforts by hitting the Save button. This will ensure your shipping profile is live and ready to use. And there you have it, you've just learned how to set up a shipping profile in Shopify. By following these steps, you will be sure to streamline the shipping logistics for your store, making the process efficient and tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.